This style is what I want to braid. Let me braid one for you guys to see. Somebody food is being you. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog, and I want to plait my hair today. I said I'm not going to salon. I want to do it by myself. This is my first time. I used to plait hair, but I've not done it by myself, but today I'm challenging myself to plait it by myself. Okay, so this is the wig I'm going to use, and I'm using this color. This is color 39, and I'm using ultra. Okay, this style is what I want to braid, but I won't have it longer like the way she has it. Okay, so right, so I'm using only one pack. Yeah, and I'm going to divide my hair into 10 sessions. Yeah, only 10. Right, so I have already stretching it. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, I have them here. So this is the last one I'm stretching. Feeling very lazy to get up and stretch it, but it's almost done though. So I'm about to start braiding my hair, and I'm going to cut it into 10 pieces. Am I correct? Anyway, yeah, I'm going to part it into 10, and I'm going to use thread to do it. So guys, watch me do this. Here, I've already cut this to my back. Very simple. This are 10 pieces, so 10 pieces of braids on my head, and it's easy to carry, very free, and yeah, this is the way I did the tip. And check my back. Even though I was not seeing my back, but I tried. I can't believe I did this by myself. Oh, you look cute though. Yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section.